Okay, I'm sitting on the new and improved Layla mattress. Layla has been around for over 3 years now, and this company is known for their signature cover that almost has a 3D look to it. They're also very well known because it is a flippable mattress. That means you get 2 mattresses in one. You get a firm side, which is the bottom here, and then a soft side. So Layla, on the new model, they created a label so you know which is which, and then it's also distinguished by color, so gray and then the black being firm. So the soft side, we'll start out with that. As you notice, you get quite a bit of sink with this mattress, and that's because they're using a generous amount of pressure relieving foam. It's 3 inches of comfort foam. This foam is unique in that it's copper infused, and so there's a couple benefits to copper. One, it has antimicrobial benefits. That's why you see with old houses they have copper door handles. That's to prevent the spread of germs, so helps keep your mattress fresh. Second benefit is there's also a cooling effect with copper. So as you lay on this mattress, it'll draw some heat away. That's going to get you into a sleep state much faster, just because it's going to help regulate your body temperature, bring your body temperature down. As you start to fall asleep and as you're in sleep, your core body temperature does lower. And then as you wake up, you heat up. So that's why, usually when rooms get warmer, you tend to wake up. Anyways, back to the mattress here. 3 inches of that foam, and then you have a transition layer of foam, which is a convoluted foam. And for convoluted, I mean sort of that egg crate wave shape. So the top layer is smooth, and then you get the egg crate underneath. That creates room for airflow. So again, they're adding more breathability and cooling to the mattress. Unlike other traditional mattresses that have a base layer of foam, Layla used a solid core layer of foam in the middle because they're building it from the middle out. And then as you go deeper down, you go back to the convolute and then 1 inch of your comfort foam, which makes it sink in just a little less than the top layer, making it more optimal for back and stomach sleepers on the other side. Now, the other nice thing about this mattress is it comes with a 120-night trial, so you could have it for basically almost 4 months, and if you're not happy with it, it's a free return. It's free shipping to you as well. Queen size retails for about $800, but that's before any discounts. You'll find the latest discounts over on sleepsherpa.com, and that'll bring it well below the $800 price point. So it makes it a pretty competitively priced mattress, but even more so because at the end of the day, you're actually getting 2 mattresses in one. So first of all, your chances that you'll probably return this are pretty slim because you have 2 to play with. The other nice benefit of this mattress is that, in my opinion, it's a great guest room mattress. So despite just being a great all-around mattress that I would sleep on every night, if you have guests with different sleep preferences in terms of firmness, adjusting it is simply just flipping the mattress over for a softer, firmer, and you're just going to have better satisfaction among your guests when they sleep over, and chances are you're going to get a firmness somebody likes. So that is the general overview and construction of this mattress. If you head over to sleepsherpa.com, we're going to unzip the cover. We'll show you the inside, how each layer reacts, and how it compares to other mattresses in similar construction, similar flippable mattresses, but also how it stands on its own merits. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com for more information.